A very good morning, children. In today's class of English language, we shall do an important parts of speech, that is preposition. As you know, in the a couple of video lessons in the past, we've been doing a parts of speech series, where in the last class we did about conjunction. A little recap of what we did in the last class. Well, in the last class we studied about conjunction and different types of conjunction, where we discussed about coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlated conjunction. Okay, so today's class will begin with preposition. What is a preposition then? Well, a preposition is a word that is used to link a noun or a pronoun with other words in the sentence. Okay, so when I say link, what does link means? Link here means that it expresses the relationship between the noun and the pronoun with the other words in the sentence. Other words, it can be a noun, it can be a verb, or it can be an adjective. Okay, some of the most commonly used preposition are in, on, at, before, above, under, after, etc. Okay, let us see one. Let us see an example where we use preposition in a sentence. How do we use them? Well, let's see an example. Okay, here we go. The books are kept on the shelves. The books are kept on the shelves. In this sentence, the word on is a preposition that shows a relationship between the shelves and the book. Okay, now see, in this sentence, if there was no preposition, so how does the sentence appear like? It appears something like the books are kept on the shelves. Does it give any meaning? No. That's why a preposition is a very important part of the sentence. Okay, it shows the relationship between, in this sentence, it shows the relationship between the shelves and where the books are kept. The word in this sentence, I'm going to repeat the sentence again. The books are kept on shelves. In this sentence, the preposition on shows the relationship between the shelves and the placement of the book. Okay, so that's how a preposition is used in a sentence. Now quickly, let us see the different types of preposition. Okay, now let us see a different types of preposition then. Well, the different types of prepositions are preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of direction, and prepositional phrase. Okay, first, what is a preposition of time? Well, a preposition of time is used to refer to a time, that is, when the event took place. Okay, what are the commonly used preposition of time then? Well, they are in, on, at, before, after. Okay, so these are some of the commonly used preposition of time. Okay, to understand it better, let us see some sentences where these prepositions are used. Okay. Well, the first sentence, I'm going to cite three, sentences. Let's look at the first sentence there. The first sentence, Brianna was born on 8th of January. Okay, so in this sentence, the word on is a preposition which tells us when Brianna was born. Okay, now the second sentence is, the party will start at 7:30 p.m. Okay, so in this sentence, the word at is the preposition which tells us when will the party start. Okay, now the third sentence is, everyone ate breakfast in the morning. So in this sentence, what is the preposition? The preposition is in. Okay, so the preposition in tells us when everybody ate the breakfast. Okay, so in these three sentences, the word on, at, in is a preposition which answers our question of when, isn't it? Okay, it tells us the time when someone was born, or when will the party take place, or when will someone eat the breakfast. So it answers our question of when. Okay, so these are the preposition of time. Okay, now let us see the next preposition, that is the preposition of place. A preposition of place is a preposition which is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. Okay, commonly used prepositions are again in, on, at, under, above. Okay, now you must be wondering, or you must be thinking that, in preposition number 1, that is in preposition of time also, we use the same set of prepositions like in, on, at. Here in preposition of place also, we are going to use the same preposition like in, on, at. Why? See, actually, it depends upon the situation. Here, the preposition are used in a different way. Okay, in preposition of time, these prepositions were used to answer your question of when a particular event took place. Okay, now we are going to answer a question of where it took place, where did the event took place, or something like that. With the help of sentences, we'll try to understand that is better. Okay, we'll try to understand the use, how these prepositions are used, how these prepositions are used as preposition of place. Okay, let us see some sentences there. First sentence, they placed the books on the table. They placed the books on the table. What is the preposition here? The preposition is on. So here it answers your question of where is the book placed, or where is the book kept, isn't it? We are not talking about time now. We are talking about place, right? So in this sentence, the preposition is on, and the preposition on answers your what? Answers your question of where the book has been placed or kept. Okay. Now, the second example is she waited for her kids at the gate of her house. What is this? What is the preposition here? At. Okay. So the word at is the preposition of place. Okay. It answers your question of where did she wait for her kids. Understood? So third sentence is there is a cat under the table. Okay, what is the preposition here? The preposition is under. The preposition is under, and the word under answers the question of where the cat is. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. So you see, this preposition, like as I used it just now, on, at, under, answers your question of where something or someone is located. Okay, so that's preposition of place. Okay, now let us switch on to the next type of preposition, and that is preposition of direction. Okay, what is the preposition of direction then? Well, a preposition of direction expresses the direction of something as to where to go or where to put something. Okay, preposition of direction, what is it? It expresses the direction of something as to where to go or where to put something. Okay, what are some commonly used prepositions then? Well, they are to, into, towards, through. So these are some of the commonly used prepositions. Preposition of directions. Okay, to understand this, preposition of direction better, I'll give you some sentences. Let's see those sentences. First, Mr. Johnson went to Delhi last week. Mr. Johnson went to Delhi last week. In this sentence, what is the preposition? The preposition is to. So the word to tells you the direction where Mr. Johnson went. Okay. Second sentence, Jack and Jill went up the hill. Okay, now in this sentence, what is the preposition? The preposition is up. Okay, up. So the word up tells us the direction where Jack and Jill went. Okay. Third sentence, in the third sentence is, the boy threw the ball into the river. Okay, what is the preposition? Into. The word into tells us the direction where the boy threw the ball. Understood? So, these words like to, up, into are what? What are these? They are the preposition of direction, which tells us what? The direction of a particular thing or something. Okay? Right. So, let us see one more types of preposition, which is known as prepositional phrase. What is the prepositional phrase then? Well, a prepositional phrase is a group of words containing a preposition. Okay, see this word, look at this word, prepositional phrase. You know what is a preposition? Now, you know what's a preposition, right? What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words, isn't it? Okay, so what is a prepositional phrase then? Well, a prepositional phrase is a group of words which contains a preposition. Understood? Prepositional phrase is a group of words which contains a preposition. And remember that a prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun. Okay, to understand this better, let us see a couple of sentences where we can get a better idea of what a prepositional phrase is. Well, the first sentence that you can see on your screen is, you can learn English from your textbook. Okay, now I said just now I told you about prepositional phrase, that a prepositional phrase is a group of words which contains a preposition, and a prepositional phrase begins with a preposition and ends with a noun. Okay, so let's keep that idea in our mind and see the sentence with that view. First sentence, you can learn English from your textbook. Okay, in this sentence, what is the preposition? The preposition is from, isn't it? What is a noun in that sentence? The noun is what? Book. Okay, so what is a prepositional phrase here? From your textbook is a prepositional phrase. A phrase which began with a preposition and ended with a noun. Okay, second sentence, the tiger roared in the forest. Okay, so in this sentence, what is the preposition? The preposition is in. And it's ending with the noun, the forest, right? So what is the prepositional phrase? In the forest. Okay? Now look at the next sentence there. The next sentence is, Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. So what is the preposition there? The preposition is on. And it's ending with the noun, the wall. So what's the prepositional phrase? On the wall. Okay? So these are the prepositional phrase. Well, I think we're going to stop the lesson right here for preposition. In the next class, we will see another yet important parts of speech. Till then, kindly go through the lesson, and if you have any queries or doubt, as I said, you can always catch me up in the WhatsApp number that has been allotted, and do keep in touch through WhatsApp, and stay connected and stay safe.